Hello students, now we are discussing this next question. In this question, which one of the following graph represents the variation of maximum kinetic energy of emitted electron with the frequency in photoelectric effect correctly? So out of 4 graph, which one is correct? So first we need to understand the photoelectric effect. So which graph will be correctly represented by this frequency and maximum kinetic energy? So let me start with some basic. We know maximum kinetic energy is equal to the energy incident on the metal plate. Suppose this is a metal plate and this is photon energy incident. So at a particular frequency, the electron will come out from this metal at the metal surface. So the minimum energy required to a electron to come out from the metal from inside the metal to a metal surface, that is known as the work function. Okay, so this is work function. So the incident energy must be greater than the work function. Only in that case the electron will get accelerated and it will come to the collector plate. This is collector plate. So only in that case the electron will get accelerated. So only in that case the electron will have some kinetic energy when incident energy is greater than the work function. So this is the relation between the incident energy and the kinetic energy of the maximum kinetic energy of the electron and work function. So first it is clear that minimum incident energy is required, which is equal to the work function at which electron will not get accelerated. So I can write this in the form of frequency. We know the energy is H into nu. Nu is the incident energy, photon frequency, and this is work function. And work function of a metal is fixed. This is a constant quantity. And we know H is also a constant. And this is maximum kinetic energy. If we compare this equation with y is equal to mx minus c. So this is constant. Again, x represents here frequency of incident photon, and EK, kinetic energy, is y. So this relation is a linear relation, and it is obvious that H is a positive quantity. So this slope, it means H represent m over here. The slope is also positive. Now, from this, it means there is a linear relationship between the maximum kinetic energy and the incident frequency, incident energy, photon frequency. So, if we would like to draw the graph, then the kinetic energy will start at a particular threshold frequency, which is known as the threshold frequency, or we can say it is V naught. Only at this threshold frequency the electron will come out from inside to the metal surface. After this particular incident frequency, the electron will get accelerated. Then this will have some positive slope because slope of this line is positive. So this graph will represent the correct presentation of maximum kinetic energy and the frequency, because below this frequency there will be no kinetic energy of the electron. Okay, I think it is clear to you. So which option is correct? D option is correct.